Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of everything Exitus Elite. Exitus Elite is my online business. I love this business. It's been running successfully since 2014. It's been paying out to us affiliates for that whole time. And we have a great owner in Exitus Elite, Paul Stevenson. The platform is still getting updates to this very day. That's how much our owner cares about his business and us affiliates, and it keeps getting better and better all the time. So I'm going to show you real quick some of my own income proof. This was a G500 sale that I made 2 months ago, and it was direct to my PayPal. So in Exitus Elite, we get paid $100 to $2,000 instant commissions, depending on where the people come in at. And they're instant because we can choose PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, Venmo, Zelle, and to name some of them. And when you get paid that day. You get paid instantly. So that's why they're instant commissions. Here's another example of a $500 commission I made through PayPal. Here's an example of a $1,000 commission. Now, when I made my first G1000 sale, I did not screenshot my income proof like I do today. So this is just an example. This is not my commission. Always be honest with people. Don't lie to people. If you want to use somebody else's income proof, and you're free to use mine as I make more sales in my business when you become a member of my team, but just show people this is somebody in Exitus Elite that made a $1,000 commission. Just show people what's possible with this business. And yeah, so this is an example of a G1000 sale. Here's a G2000 sale. I just recently upgraded to the G2000, so I can now make $2,000 commissions, which is amazing. That's where the life-changing business aspect of this business comes from, because Exitus Elite is a high-ticket offer, so you get it may be more expensive than some of your regular affiliate programs, but that's because you also make these kind of commissions. So here's an example of a G250 sale I made a while back, where the person originally came in at the G100, but he upgraded to the G250. So he only paid the difference for what he purchased in the last product. So instead of paying me $250, he subtracted $100 from what he owes me because he paid $100 to me in the last product. So, so he came in at $250 plus the admin fee. So, and I'll explain that more in the coming video. Okay, so now here we got an actual G250 sale that I made into PayPal. And so, and that's about it. I just wanted to show you what's possible in this business. And now here are the products. So in Exitus Elite, we have 5 product levels. We got the G100, the G250, the G500, the G1000, and the G2000. And each product tells you what you make in each product. So at the G1000 and 2000, you make $1,000 and $2,000. You make $500 here, $250 here, and $100 here. Now, how do we make money in this business? That's what everyone wants to know about, the compensation plan. Exitus Elite no longer has the qualifying sale. So when you make a G2000 sale, you make $2,000. No more pass ups up to your sponsor. Whatever you make at whatever level you're at, you get the commission right there and then, immediately. So if you make a G500 sale, you make $500. So in Exitus Elite, we have the admin fee. So the admin fee goes to Exitus Elite. So that's how they make their money. But to pay for the product, you pay your sponsor or the person who brought you in their commission. So if you come in here at the G2000, $399 will go to Exitus Elite. That's how they make their money. And then you pay for the package by paying me my $2,000 commission. And the same goes if you came in here at the G500 and all the other products. So that's the main way we make money in Exitus Elite. Now, let's say you bring in somebody here at the G100, but this person coming through their system sees that they can make $2,000 commissions. So they end up buying the G2000. What's going to happen is this person here is still going to get his $100, but the remaining $1,900 of that commission that's left over is going to get passed upline to me because I am qualified here at the G2000. So, and then the other way you make sales is if when you upgrade when you upgrade in Exitus Elite, you only pay the difference that you paid for the last product level. So when I upgraded from the G1000 to the G2000, I paid $299 originally, and then $1,000 to my sponsor, $1,299 in when I first came in at the G1000. So I'm going to subtract $1,299 from here. So instead of paying, I'm going to subtract $299 from here and $1,000 from here. So instead of coming in at $2,399, I'm only coming in at $1,100. But my sponsor still gets a $1,000 commission from me because I upgraded. So those are the three ways you make money in this business. So everything you need in this business is right here. Your back office. You can track everything that your leads do. I'm going to read this real quick. The moment you join, you get full access to a professionally built member back office designed to run your entire business from one place. This is not a basic dashboard. It is a complete operating system built for serious business owners. Track your sales, manage your leads, access your training. That's the product library. Monitor your team, confirm payments, run your marketing, all from one clean, powerful interface. Everything you need is already built, waiting for you. So you get the live dashboard, team management, lead capture pages. These lead capture pages are really nice. You get your Genesis training library. That's what you get with your product purchase. You can track your payments. We have a built-in autoresponder that is professionally written to advertise Exitus Elite for you. You got your contacts right here. So Exitus Elite puts tags on your leads' phone numbers, so you can tell right from the start if you have a real phone number or if they put in a fake phone number, because it's going to ask the people if you want to receive text messages from Exitus Elite, then click here. So because they're just warning that you could get phone calls or texts when you put your phone number in. And those phone calls and texts would be coming from me because I want to connect with you. I want to help you get started. I want to show you the right way to go. So you get and then you got your team, and then you can also, there are services in the back office where you can buy leads if you want. So that's your back office, and you can track how many sales you made up here, your team, how many people are in your team, how many people you have waiting in the back office, get that are just joining. So you can track everything in this back office. You can track what emails your leads clicked on. You can track how much of the video they watch, whether it was 25%, 75%, or even 100% of the video. You can track everything from this back office. Um, Here's my back office. You can see right here, right here at the G2000. Um, this is where you can, like I said, you can track what your leads do. I sent them a welcome email. Glenn opened my email. And Exitus Elite has excellent email deliverability. I'd say almost 100% of the emails go directly into your inbox, or if you're in Gmail, your promotions tab. So I just wanted to show you real quick right here the lead capture pages you can get. Each level has different lead capture pages here. This is a really good one I've used before in the past. This is one I'm using now at the time of this video. So I'm at the G2000, so I have all the lead capture pages, but each product level has its own lead capture pages that you unlock. So you get that. You even have the option, if you want to, for only $49, you can buy more lead capture pages here. So Exitus Elite is an amazing opportunity. It really is. We have a terrific owner in Paul Stevenson. The platform has been running for 2000 for since 2014, so it's a trusted business that has proven itself. If it was gonna fail, it would have failed a long time ago. And I just believe all around that this is the best opportunity. So I'm just going to show you one more thing here. Let's go back here. You got digital marketing, business strategies, mindset mastery, financial freedom, leadership skills, and those are the different categories that you get in your Genesis Digital Education Library. This is what you get with your purchase. So in the G100, you get 17 courses. At the G250, you get 10 courses. G500, you get 12 courses. G1000, you get 25 courses. At the G2000, you get 31 courses. So that's what you get with your purchased. Um, that's what's possible with this business. You can make this kind of money in this business. I always tell people, if you can go all in your business, go all in. If you can afford to, do it. I highly recommend you do. I always say that these two product levels are the sweet spots in this business, because these are the two product levels where you can make really good life changing money in this business. Now, if you can't do that, come in as high as you can possibly can. The thing I like about Exitus Elite is you don't have to bring in hundreds and hundreds of people in order to make really good to life-changing income in this business. I mean, just getting the $500 commission here 2 months ago, right out of the blue, somebody must have watched one of my videos and decided he came in as high as he could possibly afford. So the cool thing about Exitus Elite is the lowest commission you can make is $100. And the highest you can make in this business is $2,000. That's why I love high ticket affiliate marketing, because you don't have to go crazy on bringing people into the business. Now, this page here, you can I'm going to give you when you become a member of my team. So you can actually start showing people what's possible with this business. These are just examples of real income that a friend of mine made in this business. He's been in this business since, I think he started in like 2000. 2016 in this business. And all I can say is that this is a life-changing business. Exitus Elite, if you're willing to put in the work, you can do it. At the top of this page, you'll also get some free, and some are paid, some are free, some are paid, classified ad sites where you can actually promote Exitus Elite. We also provide all the ad copy you'll ever need. You can also put these ad bodies and ad copy into AI to see if you can even improve uh, these um, these ads. But you can use them as they are. You can definitely change it up. So you're gonna get all this. You're also gonna get a training page as well. So yeah. This is my YouTube channel. I have been in this business since I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2012. I started my YouTube channel in 2016, and I absolutely love Exitus Elite. All these videos here, you can go back 4 years, and I still love this business. As you can see right here, this is when I made a G500 sale that I showed you earlier. Yeah, I just absolutely love this business, and it's not going anywhere. I know there are a lot of affiliate marketers out there that are afraid of certain businesses because they've been in other businesses where they failed and they end up losing money, or their team has lost money. So I really love this business, and I really want you to call me. Uh, all my contact information is in the description below. I've flashed it on the screen a few times. So yeah, reach out to me. And my email, my phone number, my Facebook are all in the description below. So I think that's it, everyone. Exitus Elite is a life changing business for the very fact that you can make $1,000 and $2,000 instant commissions in this business. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, comment below if you have any questions. But Exitus Elite can change your life if you're willing to put in the work that you need to get out there, to get seen, to get heard, to reach out to your leads, to let them know that you're there to help. But in the end, you're going to be the reason why your business fails, or it's going to prosper and be successful. So I hope you really enjoy. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.